So our first example data is we have a original product of 60%, the final product of 5%. So 0.6 multiplied by 100, so we have 60 pounds. So WF equals to 100 minus 60 equals to 40 pounds. So we have a 95% of rice solid. So we apply it multiplied by WF equals to 40, so we have a WF equals to 42.11 pounds. Then, the answer of WF is multiplied by 0.05, so we get a 2.11. And then, 60 minus 2.11 equals to 57.81 pounds. So, first is the A is 57.84 pounds over 100, so we have a 0.579 H2O over pound. Next is 57.89 pound over 42.11 pound equals to 1.375 pound. And lastly is 57.89 over 40 equals to 1.47 pound. And that's all.